So it started with the HTML, then it moved over to the interactive, and then we found ourselves at where we're at right now, a crossroads. And everybody's stuck in their own damn box, and there is very little conversation going on. But at least I'm here and I'm striking a nerve. And the reason why I'm striking a nerve is because it's more important than us at an individual level or our egos. What is happening in this moment? It's serious. And you know what we need? Huh? Oh, yes, that's right. We need more capable people. Yes, we are currently in a stage where we are eating our own dog food. Yes, yes, we are. Yes, and we are building up these walled gardens which eat off our own dog food. And oh, everything is built on top of each other in a way that is not secure. There is a nuclear bomb going off, and everybody's so concerned about monetizing their current application, the product. This is a serious situation going on. And I've just kind of been poking my head in a lot of different areas. And yeah, I make a lot of noise, but there's a reason for it. Let's dive into some stuff. So if I share my screen, we can find out that I launched a new federated network. So in layman's terms, I have a bunch of applications. I would like to scale these out even further, but there is an issue, right? Once you hit a threshold of like, hey, you got more than one production level application underneath your belt, you need a top down network approach to managing your inner workings. Okay. You can't be juggling, there's too much going on. I have over 20 dependencies. Okay. And I have over 20 hosted applications in a range of different regions. And there's so many interconnected, interworking things that you need to have a full understanding of the landscape before you could even grasp what needs to get done. This isn't a vibe code thing. Trust me, man. They have walls in place. There are permits. There are things you got to get done. You got to protect yourselves in certain ways. And oh, you need to present yourself in certain ways. And the way that I'm doing that matters. So what I'm showing here is a fleet of individual components that I have been perfecting and working out, right? So all of these are kind of interactive. You could dive into them. They all have like really cool features. They're all built on the Dash framework, really cool. All right. But they're built and they're hosted on their own application, right? So if I go to any of these, like let's go over to boilerplate real quick. All right. And if you open up the documentation site, you'll get brought up to the actual documentation. And there is a lot of really useful information in here. Okay. So then if you make your way over to that llms.txt, then you're brought into the entire network. And I'm doing the llms.txt in my own way. And this is where the real gravy is, right? You want more people doing that. You don't want to create what is this walled barrier of innovation. You want as many capable people building and creating their own networks as possible. I'm not telling you to use my boat. I have really great components. They're all polished. I have done over 10 years of work in this industry. I think I know a thing or two. Okay. What I have here is something that isn't built for just humans. It's built to target the bot. Okay. And if you look at and if you fully understand what is MCP, the landscape, what's currently going on, this isn't like, hey, this is a galaxy. We're building galaxies here, boys and girls, okay? You don't need to be limited to just MCP. You don't need to be limited to just LLMs. You can have the cake and you can eat it too. And that's the thing. You're not here to build out an application. You're trying to build out a fully integrated network that is interconnected, that is exchangeable, that shows the related projects. So if you want to buy something from my e-commerce shop, or if you want to make your way over to my AI agent canvas, this thing can work better than most people. That's the real beauty in this. What I have here is something that's not only scalable, this is dynamic. This is outside of just creative. This is secure. This is innovating within its own self. And that's what we need more of. And the way that I'm distributing this, the way that I'm showing that you can get things done, we need more people who can operate like an aircraft carrier. Because the problems that we have and the shit that we're facing, it's only going to get worse. It's only going to go to that next level of echelon, and it's already smarter than us. So, hey, yo, let's stop trying to worry about the monetary. It's already here. It's going to work itself out. Figure out how to get the capable people interconnected and working and established. That's the real thing. I think that instead of a lot of these individual applications, right? You can kind of look into this. My own office, I think that's the one I picked up. But yeah, I built out a AI office, right? But within this, okay, I have what is this application that operates the entire office, okay? That's my broadcasts to the public. And it is my distribution network and it handles SEO, the all the nuances, how do you create a forum post, all the little generated things that can all be accumulated and outsourced out. So I have what is here a very connected web. And then as the community builds out and more people start building like me, and I get more capable people that have their own boats and they start building out their own components and they have established their own businesses, right? Then we can move into what is that next phase. The next phase is per region, where instead of having a centralized cloud provider that dictates everything to us, you have smart, individual located AI autonomous workflows and systems and companies which will make up the entire network. And all I want to do is I just want to focus on the one that I care about, the community that I care about, the people I care about, this location that I care about. What I'm doing here, this is not for anybody, but for the area that I love. What I'm showing here is that instead of a person having to be dependent on an eBay, on an Amazon, on whoever's fill in the blank, you can literally establish technology independent to anything. That's the end goal. That's what we need to be shooting for. And we really need to start moving people into what are these focused, compartmentalized networks that are autonomous, that are smart, that allow, generation, that allow you to kind of create and innovate, that are breaking the boundaries to what is possible in the languages and the work that we're doing. So yeah, this is it's a lot. I've done a lot. I'm a little bit different than the rest. I don't think I make that many friends because of the approach, but the approach is warranted. What we're doing and what we have done, it worked for a while, but things are changing. And all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to join in and at least kick off a conversation, because if you don't talk to the capable people around you, you're going to end up fighting. It's going to be my boat with my cannons against your boat with your cannons. And then we've got a bunch of other boats that are on their way and they're going to get loaded up with cannons. And then there's always a bigger fish in the sea. I know my place. I'm a small crustacean, but I'm pretty happy at the rot I am. And I could put up a pretty dang good fight for what I got. So with this, yeah, I'm building software for agents in the world, but specifically for this harbor. And with that, I think I got something pretty capable. But let me know what you think. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one when I'm talking to myself in this little room of mine.